Good morning. I'm using different colors just for demonstration reasons, so you could see how we braid a 4-strand challah. I am first going to begin with rolling out each part. I'm going to begin with the light color. If you need to add a little bit more flour to your dough, that's okay, but remove all excess flour. Start always from the middle towards your end. The skipping motion I do, and I lightly tap it on the table, is just to remove sometimes excess air. Form a pointy tip. Each part you form like a little rectangular, and you roll once and you roll it over a couple times. Dust the dough if too sticky to separate each strand. Bring all your strands together. Using the palm of your hand, press down on the 4 parts to form a point. Make sure you pinch